Everyone, this one where you happy today. We like say your babe, someone don't get belly.
What rubbish? Are you only happy because of belly? I look like person where they happy because of belly. One expert now he pay me now. Why are they happy like this?
One expert what?
Yes, I play one game for their sites like this and I don't win. I'm not a millionaire. You know since I don't fresh like this.
What be this bet where these guys they play anyhow? Ha! Why this one expert come different?
See, one expert is the real deal. Imagine you betting with a site that compensates you when you lose your money. With one expert, winning is sure. Even when you play game and the game no enter, they go still compensate you on top. What you go just do now, may you just go their website, use my promo code Lenzi, and any deposit where you make there, they go multiply them by 200%. That is, if you put $100 there, they will give you $200 bonus. That is, you don't get $300 be that too. Just try, may this your poverty life leave you, Maybe if you try buy a new shoe, see this your shoe, an example of poverty.
There's no money on ground.
They're proud of your poverty, But no what one expert go if you change your life, my brother.
Shall radio? Because when I come out, I see your babe trauma. Yeah, she the verse, her eyes they red. She don't get a single joy.
You see my girl trauma?
I see him now.
For my house. Hey, one I tell him say I been there house, so I go see him, man. Later we'll go see. But try play one expert, maybe want to leave you.
Baby! Baby! What have I done? Who am I going to call now? Oh, let me look for my phone. I'll call his family member. Oh, God. Oh, I found it.
Baby, just find the ambulance and take my body to the hospital. Baby, Biko, even if this motor or car that keke, anything that you see, just carry my body and go to the hospital, Biko.
Hey! 10 million naira from one expert. 10 million naira. Hey, let me look for something else.
You know I don't joke with my money. You know I know they joke with my money. Don't touch my money. Don't.
Hey! I found his ATM card. God. So I think today is my lucky day.
You don't know my pain. You can never know my pain. You cannot know my pain.
God. Hey. 18. Babe, am I not on the soup again?
Babe, I'm sorry, Just take my card, go to the market and buy anything you want.
Oh, I love you. The pain.
Babe, how many times will I tell you my pain? My pain is 2255.
Oh, baby.
Later,
2255. Hey, today is my lucky day. Full of it. I beg you.
Jesus! Yeah! Oluwa! Hey! Fear woman!